So you've decided to open a Chime account and you've probably got a few questions. Specifically, what do you need to sign up? How long does it take? And what are the exact steps to do it the right way? I'll walk you through all of it, start to finish. And if at any point you want to open your account, there's a link in the description that gets you a free $100 when you set up direct deposit and it supports the channel. First, the good news. Opening a Chime account is one of the easiest signups out there. It's completely free. There's no credit check, no minimum balance, and no monthly fees. And the whole thing takes about 2 minutes from your phone. Chime's also one of the most loved banking apps in the country, with NerdWallet naming it a top pick for free checking and for overdrafts, so you're in good hands. To open a Chime account, you need to be at least 18, a US resident, and have a valid home address, email, phone number, and social security number ready to go. One more thing to note, Chime accounts are personal only and owned by a single person, so this isn't for a business, and it can't be a joint account with someone else. Step 1, download the app. Click the link in the description below to be redirected and get the best possible offer, a free $100. Step 2, create your account. This is the main part, and it's quick. You'll start with the basics, your first and last name. Make sure it's your legal name exactly as it shows on your ID, and your email. Then you'll confirm a few more details: date of birth, your phone number, your social security number, your home address, and a password you'll create. Now, one thing worth knowing here, most people breeze through this in a minute or two, but sometimes Chime needs an extra step to verify your identity, like asking for some additional info or a photo of your driver's license or another ID. So if you don't get approved instantly, don't panic. It doesn't mean you did anything wrong. It's usually just that verification step. Step 3, choose your card. This is a newer part of the sign up and it's a nice bonus. Chime will ask if you want the Chime card, which is their credit building card that also earns rewards. And if you go that route, you even get to pick your color: black, evergreen, or a premium titanium card made of stainless steel. If you'd rather keep it simple, you can skip that and just sign up with the debit card only. And step 4, fund your account. Once your information is verified, congratulations, you are officially a Chime member. Now you just need to get some money in there, and Chime gives you a ton of ways to do it: cash, checks, direct deposit, a transfer from another bank. Your physical card will show up in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. But here's my favorite part, and a lot of people don't realize this: you don't have to wait. The moment you're approved, Chime gives you a virtual debit card and virtual Chime card right in the app. Add them to your Apple Pay or Google Pay, and you can start spending immediately while your physical card is on its way. Now, one pro tip: set up direct deposit. The moment you route a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more into your account, you unlock Chime Plus for free, and that's where the real magic is. Chime Plus turns on SpotMe, their fee-free overdraft up to $200, MyPay, which lets you access up to $500 of your pay before payday, and personalized cashback deals at places you already shop. So if you only do one thing after signing up, make it this. It's what takes Chime from a free account to actually worth using. If you want to get started, the link's in the description. It gets you that free $100 when you set up direct deposit, and it supports the channel. Drop a comment if you hit any snags during sign up, and I'll help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.